Hi, my name is Keegan Bailey, and welcome to my SCADA project. First part of the process is to heat up the water, but only if the cold storage tank is cold enough. As you can see, the compressor is running to cool the water to the desired set point. After the desired cold set point has been reached, we fill the temp storage so it can be heated and mixed until our desired warm set point has been reached. Once our desired warm temperature set point has been reached, the rest of the process can begin. The level station has a set point to be controlled as well. The level station will always try to maintain that value if the water is warm enough. Once again, once the water has reached the warm set point, the pressure station can run. The pressure station is trying to maintain the desired set point and uses a PID to do so. Flow station is more of a measurement station of the water produced or consumed. Now we will dive into the manual mode operation. Unlike the automatic mode, one must fill and drain the stations manually, either locally or from the HMI. Like automatic mode, the cold storage and warm storage work the same as far as the set points. Also, like auto mode, everything is safety interlock. First part of the HMI operation is the security page. Different users have different access to different pages. There's two alarm pages, one for history and one for the current status of the alarm. One is accessed via the other. Each page has its own historical and real-time trends for the values being measured. The set points page is where the operator can change the set points. Once this has been completed, we can see in real time the change in our program.